Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable a Swift key autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly, you have to go to Settings, then go to the System section, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, Gboard, and then to the Text Correction. And here you have this option, autocorrection, correct words while typing, and here you can switch this feature, like if you want to enable or disable it, here you can do this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.